Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about Blvd piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
Hi, I'm Graham, expert plumber with Urban Piping. So, a question I get asked all the time is how much does it cost to replace copper piping? Wow. It all depends, I guess, on the house. A lot of houses with copper piping are pre-1984. So we could still have two-story houses, or we could have old bungalows. We can have a lot of ones with what I call spider hole basins, where there's just a crawl space that you climb down a ladder to get to. Either way, typical copper pipe replacement costs anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 for just the piping, and additional for drywalling costs on top of that. Typically, it will take between 72 and 84 hours for a full house remediation of just the copper piping. And it involves us prepping your house, cutting the holes in the drywall, and then we actually have to cut out all the copper pipe, and then we replace it with color-coded Class A Ray-Halpex piping with a 25-year warranty, and we have it rated for 497 PSI. Hope that helps for any of your questions, and if you have any other questions or you'd like to see a video about something, ask the expert. Drop a comment below. I'd be more than happy to make a video. Thanks, guys.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Blvd. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.